Stop motion is such a cool and unique way to share video content, and that's what we're going to talk about today. What's up, friend? Welcome back to CapCut's YouTube channel. What would the holidays be without holiday content? And sure, you could post a normal gift wrapping tutorial, but what if we spiced it up and made it a stop motion? I'm gonna show you exactly how to make a fun holiday gift wrapping video using CapCut's mobile app. So let's get into it. So first, let's talk about the footage. There are multiple ways to shoot a stop motion video. The easiest way that I found is just to set your phone up on a tripod and take photos of every step of the process. So for this one, I set my phone up above my gift. It's a perfume for my sister, please don't tell her. And I just started wrapping. Each step of the way, I just used a little Bluetooth trigger to take a photo. Alternatively, you could just film one long clip and then just pause during each action so that you can take a screenshot afterwards. It's honestly up to you, whatever you like best, just go with that. Once I finish shooting, I'm gonna go onto my CapCut app and go to the template tab. The template tab is everything. It's gonna save you so much time on so many pieces of content, so I highly recommend checking it out. But I'm just gonna search the word stop motion, and as you can see, there are so many templates that you could use for a stop motion video. I'm gonna go with this one here at the top because it has the same number of frames as the number of photos that I took. From there, I'll go ahead and select all of the photos in order and then tap the preview button. Okay, this is definitely what I was looking for as far as a stop motion template, but it does move quite quickly and I want my video to be a little bit longer. So to change that, I'm gonna go ahead and export this onto my device to start. Then I'm gonna open a new project and import my stop motion video. To slow it down, I'm gonna tap on the footage in the timeline and press the speed button. I want the speed to be uniform across the video, so I'm gonna go with normal instead of curve. But if you wanna play around with the speed and have some parts of your video go fast and some go slow, you're gonna go with the curve option. And then I'll just move the slider here and you can see that it tells me exactly how long my video is gonna be. Let's bring it down to 0.5 and see how that looks. Okay, I'm really happy with that. Now all that's left to do is add a little bit of holiday music. I'm gonna go to the audio section and tap sounds, and then we'll just search Christmas to find a little holiday vibe. And with some minor adjustments to the audio, we are ready to go. I just deleted the intro, moved the audio back, and then clipped the end so that the music ended with my footage. And now we are ready to export our stop motion gift wrapping video. Stop motions are so good for gift wrapping videos, holiday baking, DIY home decorations, and so much more. So I hope that you take advantage of CapCut's stop motion templates and make your own holiday content. Let me know in the comments what you're posting for the holidays this year and what your favorite CapCut templates are, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!